baby turtle. Daddy, look at these baby turtles. Look at that baby.
Oh yeah, we were sneaking.
Yeah, but he's all curled up though, eh?
No, you see on that. Amelia, take the scooter and you stay.
I know, there's a turtle.
It's an albino,
Oh,
red-eared turtle.
albino red-eared. Oh, what's in there?
Just some sort of turtle.
Oh yeah, it's not a turtle.
Yeah, come here, see here.
Guys, look at this. So this is Cleo.
That's a macaw.
It says Ray.
What is that?
Oh, look at the name tag. That's an Electus parrot, Cleo. Did you get scared? He is big. Okay, can you read it and tell me? Oh, you're right. Green winged macaw. Oh, they just call him Ray.
Over there, that's a macaw. Where's the cat? Right there, the macaw.
He is huge.
Then look at mommy's phone.
Amelia got scared of the bird, eh?
Got scared of the bird?
Yeah.
Is that the macaw? Yeah. I got this one. I didn't get oh, stay in the middle. Like, take all three.
Hey, it said hi. It said hi. So who said hi?
So she can talk. She says words. Yeah.
Oh, hi.
This one, right? Hi. Hi. The white one, right? Yep. Hi.
Hi.
You said hi. Why don't you say it again? Hi.
How are you?
Leah, look, the birdie can talk.
Hello.
She's talking to you.
How are you?
Come here. I'll show you. Come here. Oh, come here. Say hi. She'll say hi to you.
Hi.
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 Oh,
So cool.
That's another Poochie. That's a lizard. Oh, that's a gecko. That's a gecko. It's a gecko?
Yeah.
It says, can you spot the gecko?
Yeah, look at the gecko on the wall.
A white-lined gecko.
See the two eyes?
The
gecko, you see that? It's okay. What color is the gecko?
take ownership of your scooter, please.
Archaeology Dig.
Here, look at mommy. Go stand over there. I'll take a picture.
Come and stand with him. Come stand here.
Hey, why don't you guys need to sit on it?
Yeah, right. You don't want to stand beside it?
I think he's scared.
Why here? Is there going to be more birds?
Come and narrate again.
Sorry.
And you guys are just going to come back down this way and get a stroller to the elevator
Oh.
and up to the 3rd floor.
Awesome.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, why don't we go through here first, no?
That's how you said, right?
No, I think we can go around here. Oh. Yeah, it comes around. Let's go. No, it's nothing to be
And
scared.
they're in a cage.
But there's real? I don't want to go.
I mean, yeah, they're in a cage. Relax.
Yeah, all in a cage. They don't come.
So, sugar glider.
So this is a sugar glider.
Where is it?
Now the question is spot the bat.
Sit there.
Let's play a game. Who can spot the bat?
You said a snake?
Well, I know where it is.
That.
Where?
It's in this tree house.
Oh, he's sleeping.
Is there?
Oh, it's not clear, but hey. Yeah, it looks like he's sleeping or something.
Only one here?
Are these real or are these?
Oh, those are real.
What are they?
That's some sort of frogs.
Yeah, those tiny ones.
I'll show you later.
House.
Look, they're so colorful. There's like two.
Get up, get up,
I
get
see
up.
two.
No, don't break it up. What if it comes outside?
Trying to get up.
Oh, one just moved.
Stretching this one.
Wow, they can freeze.
New ones to see, guys.
Like, look at this, guys. These two are like,
There's one in that log too, eh? Mother?
yeah.
Beside of that, on the right side, where there's a log, it's in there too.
Oh, can I see?
Yeah, I've seen this guy.
No, it's a type of frog. Look at those two frogs, the yellow one and the green one.
Oh, these are poison arrow frogs, guys.
Oh, look, there's more, eh? Like blue ones. Did you see
Yeah,
that?
at the back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you want, you can hold my hand. No, it's okay. You're in between us. There's nothing to be scared of. Oh, look at the owl. Look at the owl. So this is a boobook. I hope I got that right. Owl. How do you pronounce that? Boobook? Boobook?
Oh, boobook.
Boobook.
It's a boobook owl.
Oh,
You
look at the owl.
know anything about this owl?
Oh, it's a
All the way
boobook
over
owl.
there.
But what can you tell me?
Did you see it?
There's a boobook owl there.
They're from Australia and Tasmania.
What is he doing?
Oh, Tarantula. Amelia. Comes.
Tarantula, maybe that's best friend.
Oh, this is not good. And I see him.
Go, let's go. You know what a tarantula is, Leah?
I don't like
Yes,
spiders.
there. He's in there. I'm going to show you.
Do you see it? Do you see it?
Australia.
He's right there. He or she.
Oh, there's some sort of spider here too. We'll look for this one.
Yeah, Tarantula, yeah.
It's in there. Let's see. It's furry.
So what do you got in here?
Oh, I see this guy.
So who's he?
It's right behind that leaf. You can barely
Yeah,
see it. But
yeah, I see it.
did you guys spot the tarantula?
Yeah.
Show them.
Can't
Oh
see.
my god, look at the tarantula.
What even is it?
What does it say?
Mexican red tarantula.
Oh, that's another.
He sees it on the log. It's moving.
Is he moving now?
Yeah. The tarantula, like not fully moving, but it's moving inside.
Oh, Amelia, come see Pixie Frog.
Another frog.
But it says Pixie Frog.
Pixie frog. Where?
Can you come and find him?
Oh, one of the spiders completely moving if you want to see it.
Look how slowly he's.
You got him to move and then saw everybody and it froze.
Okay, let's go. Daddy, I want to see a pixie frog.
I know, you gotta go locate it.
Let's find it. Let's find it, frog. Find it.
This spider is like frozen. Yeah, you know the leaf that's on the floor? behind it. You see
I
that
can't.
kind of
I
color?
can't spot.
We're not able to spot it.
You see that like
It's not
soft,
clear, but
like
look,
like
I spotted
a
him.
shiny thing under the branch, on the rock. It kind of camouflages with the rock.
Yeah.
It's big
Oh
though.
my
It's
goodness.
massive.
Yeah.
You see that branch that's coming down underneath it? Do you see like this like shiny? What's it? No, that's this thing right here. See that? It's a rock. It's a rock. It's a rock. Oh, you see it?
So axolot. Is that how you say it?
Axolot.
But
Oh,
where?
it's axolotl.
Axolotl. Where is he? Oh,
And what? Where could he be?
What is it? Oh, that we're looking
An axolotl.
let's see who can spot him. Oh, maybe I see his tail. Yeah, I think so.
Here.
So
Oh, I
he
think
is.
it's inside the log.
He's
You
inside
might
the
be able
log.
to see from this side.
Oh, I see his tail.
I only see his tail.
Yeah.
Well, I
hiding.
found him.
You know why, I mean? Because these are nocturnal, right? They like the dark.
Hey, look at all the stars, Liam.
Walk on the bridge.
Who do we have here?
What's here?
I don't know. Liam, you okay?
Oh, I think there's new bats here.
Yeah. I see
Yeah,
them.
Liam, come here and show you bats.
Oh,
Somebody is inside the back.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. That's why she's wearing her mask. Liam, look at all the way in the corner. Look at those bats.
Let me see what the back.
oh my! They're all
Egyptian
like.
fruit bats.
Oh, but guess what?
Yeah?
Only the vampire bat sucks blood. Every other bat just eats normal stuff.
No, that's right, but some bats have viruses that we don't want. That's why she's wearing that mask to go in.
Bats.
Come on. Over there. Yeah. Not falling, they're all sleeping. Yeah, look at it. Where are the bats? Show them the flash. This one.
Yeah.
What